Good morning and welcome to today's session, my dear friends. Here, the problem we are discussing is from Applications of Trigonometry CBSE textbook and question number 6. The question here given for you is a 1.5 meter tall boy is standing at some distance from a 30-meter tall building. The angle of elevation from his eyes to the top of the building increases from 30 degree to 60 degree as he walked towards the building. Find the distance he walked towards the building. The question they asked. Now, according to the question, I consider this diagram. A boy 1.5 meter tall I have taken, and he is moving towards the 30-meter tall building in front of him. So that the angle of elevation changes from 30 degree to 60 degree as he is moving. Therefore, you have to find what is the distance traveled by the person from one position to another position. You have to find. Now, according to this, what the diagram I taken, I separated both the triangles. First, I taken PRB and PRA triangles. I separated. And here the total height of the building from ground level they have given as 30 meters and height of the boy is 1.5 meter. Both I subtracted here PQ minus RQ I did means what I am getting PR measurement as 28.5 meters I have considered. Now, my dear friends, that first I considered triangle PRA, and in this angle R is 90 degree. Therefore, PA becomes hypotenuse, PR is opposite, and AR is adjacent. So here opposite is given, adjacent you have to find. Hence, I went for tan theta. Tan theta equals the ratio of opposite side to adjacent side. You all know it. Now, tan 30 angle, they give an angle of elevation is 30 degree. Tan 30 I taken, I substituted the value 28.5 divided by AR. Now, dear, tan 30 value according to standard angle tables is 1 by root 3, which is equal to 28.5 divided by R. I cross multiplied. AR into 1 gives you AR. 28.5 root 3 I multiplied and kept it, so that here we got the measurement of AR. Next here, my dear friends, I consider triangle PRB. In this, R is 90 degree. Again, opposite is given, adjacent have to find. So opposite by adjacent is tan theta. Now I substituted opposite is PR divided by BR equals tan 60. Now angle of elevation is 60 I taken because the boy is already moving towards the building. So that angle of elevation they given as 60 degree, you remember. Next values you substitute. PR is 28.5 by BR I taken as it is tan 60 value according to standard angles table is root 3. Now you just cross multiply, you are getting BR measurement as 28.5 by root 3. Now, my dear friends, according to diagram, you just observe AR we got and BR we got. If we subtract both of them, we will get AB measurement. That is what the distance traveled by the person towards the building. So here AB I considered as AR minus BR. I substituted values. AR we got 28.5 root 3, BR is 28.5 divided by root 3. I took the LCM root 3, so that numerator I got 28.5 root 3 multiplied by root 3 minus 28.5. Now root 3 I multiplied, I got 3. 3 into 28.5 gives you 85.5, and I subtracted 28.5 from this to 57 we are getting. And 57 by root 3, I rationalize the denominator root 3 by root 3, so that 57 root 3 by 3 gives you what 57 and 3 are coming in the same table. 19 root 3 meter is the final answer for CBSE and state students. Now for ICSE, you substitute the value of root 3 and multiply with the 19. What decimal answer you get, you have to keep it. So thank you very much. Here the problem given is welcome. The next problem here is from a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the bottom and top of a tower uh, fixed at the top of a 20-meter high building is 45-degree and 60-degree respectively. Find the height of the tower. So according to the problem, I consider this problem. CD here is there, and I considered A, B, C all. Okay, here observed done BC is the building which is 20-meter high. Here one person is standing and observing, and once he saw the top of the above this building transmission tower is there. Once he saw the top of the tower, another time the bottom of the tower he saw. Now the angle of elevations when he saw the bottom of the tower is 45, top of the tower is 60-degree. Remember. Now I separated these triangles BCD and ACD. I separated, and hence what I got one time 45 BC measurement 20, we find CD measurement. Next ACD triangle I will take, and C is 90-degree. Then AC is 20. What is we have to find AB, that I consider as X. Therefore AC we can take it as 20 plus X. Okay. So now first I taken BCD triangle. Here C is right angle. Hence BD is a hypotenuse and CB is adjacent, and this BC becomes opposite. Therefore, tan theta is the ratio of opposite to adjacent. I taken theta is 45, tan 45 equals 20 by CD substituted. Tan 45 according to standard angles is 1 equals 20 by CD. Cross multiplied CD into 1 gives you CD equals 20 meter. Now first part I got the answer CD measurement as 20 meters. Next, my dear friends, I went for ACD triangle. Again, tan is opposite by adjacent. Here C angle is 90-degree. The angle given is theta 60-degree. Tan 60 equals 20 plus x by CD because opposite value I substituted. Now CD also we know CD is what 20 and tan 60 is root 3. All the values we have substituted. Now it is linear equation part what we have to discuss. So you cross multiply 20 into root 3 is 20 root 3 equals 20 plus x, and plus 20 you shift it become minus 20. In both of them common factor is 20. Remaining is root 3 minus 1. This is the value of x. This is answer for CBSE and state students. For ICSE students, you have to substitute the value of root 3, 1.732, you have to substitute minus 1. So if you subtract both, you are getting 0.732 multiplied with 20, you are getting 14.64 meters as the height of the transmission tower. Thank you very much, dears.